Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your Waze avatar. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll notice three horizontal lines there, which is your menu icon. Go ahead and tap on it to open up the main navigation menu. This is where you can access all of Waze's key features and settings. Once the menu opens, you'll see several options listed. Look for the one labeled View Profile and tap on it. This will take you to your personal profile page where you can customize various aspects of how you appear to other Waze users. Your profile is essentially your identity within the Waze community, so this is where all your personalization options live. On your profile page, you'll notice an option called Mood. Go ahead and tap on it. This is the section where Waze stores all the different avatar options available to you. The mood feature is what allows you to express yourself through your chosen avatar, giving your profile a unique personality that other drivers can see on the map. Now, you'll see a collection of different avatars displayed on your screen. Waze offers a variety of fun and creative options from quirky characters to theme designs, so take a moment to browse through them. Each avatar has its own distinct style and personality, making it easy to find one that matches your vibe or mood. Simply tap on the avatar you prefer from the available options. As soon as you tap on your chosen avatar, Waze will automatically update your profile picture. The change happens instantly, so there's no need to save or confirm anything separately. Your new avatar will now be visible to you and to other Waze users who might see you on the road. And that's it, you've successfully changed your Waze avatar and personalized your driving experience. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.